Unfolding of the folding stick. First, let us introduce the subsections of the folding stick. Raise the wrench and turn the nut counterclockwise. At this time the outer lock is released. Pull out the second section and adjust the height appropriately. Rotate the nut clockwise, fasten the wrench and lock the outer lock. Pull the second section, push the fourth link into the third section. Pull the fourth section, push the fifth link into the fourth section. Pull the third section outward with a little force, and the elastic buckle pops out. Twist the third section, and the elastic buckle